Oh, son, all these enchiladas gave me more than indigestion. Oh, I think I've got the runs, ain't I? Oh!
Sorry, Dad. I didn't have any bad effects from him.
I might have to go and see Eduardo, son. I need to have a word with him. Oh, I'm off to the bog, I think. Oh, I can feel it moving again. See you in a minute. I'm telling you, Manzuri, pong in the air. It seems to me like someone's pooped their keks and that. Alright, son, I think it's past, to be fair. What's right now? Trying to see Eduardo, I think.
Into the chicken mobile. Again. For the second time today.
Hey Holmes, good to see you again. Did you like the enchiladas, huh? Hey Holmes.
To be fair, son, I liked them, but my gut didn't. Telling you that.
I loved them. Thank you, Eduardo.
We won't talk about my toilet shenanigans.
Sorry to hear that, Holmes. What's not to like about the enchiladas, huh?
Something's going on here, son. You're looking a bit shifty, if I'm honest. You know what I mean?
I don't think so, Holmes.
Right, I want to see your kitchen, son.
It's not necessary, amigo. Anyway, son, I'm gonna have a look whether you like it or not.
You must be joking. That's what I ate, eh? Bloody hell, it's Mr. Greedy. Hold up a minute, son. So this is where you've been all along, then? Oh, did I eat a piece of you in those enchiladas? I got broke up Brisbane, didn't I? Eduardo was it, son, eh? Oh, let me finish. As I was saying, it weren't Eduardo. It was the other bloke who runs the place. Do what? I thought Eduardo ran this place. You telling me someone else does? Oh, let me finish. I'm telling you exactly that. It's a bloke called Professor Ockenblock. He runs it. He's been calling the meat to put in enchiladas. Oh, he's got bigger fish to fry. Oh, big fried fish. Oh, I'm starving. Here, do you think he's claimed Jean then, eh? It's possible, because I didn't kill Jean. I'm telling you now, I got framed. Framed, I tell you.
I heard every word, Dad, Mr. Greedy.
Oh, right, what are you trying to say to me then, son?
Is Mum still alive?
Oh, yes, she is. Well, it's Professor Ockenblock is doing experiments on cloning. I tell you, I'm not dully this soup.
So you know the truth now, amigos. I'm so sorry. He gave me loads of money so I could do his experiments, and who am I to say no, huh?
It stinks, me old China. At least I know Jean ain't dead now.
Yes, I did all this. Yes, Jane is a chicken, well, it's not dead. She my said, and you'll never find where my shit is.
Hey, where's he gone? Nice turning into a right turn, ain't this is?
Into the chicken mobile. Let's follow him.
I'm coming too, Holmes.
I'm coming too. Alright, son, you can come. I hold no grudge against you, especially now I know you didn't kill my Jean. So we're going to chuck this idiot down, then.
There he is, Dad. He must be going to his shed.
Oh, look, he's stopping. Oh, my tummy's rumbling now. I'll deal with this on my own. What the hell? Jean! Oh, don't Adam and Eve it, good blimey.
Tomato, baker. I like your loving wife.
Who do you think you are, messing with people's lives? You wouldn't like to mess with a hungry, modest greedy, because that's what I am right now, ain't Marvin?
Your kid's wife?
That'll teach you to mess with me and Bert and his family. Oh, you're dead now, mate.
Great. Come on then, G. Lovely to see you after all this time. I think we'd better keep this all quiet. Lock the shed when we're finished, I think.
Oh, anyone fancy beets, sir? Oh, it's my treat. No chicken on it, mind. Oh, I might have pineapple on it, though.
You're not having me on that goddamn pizza. I'll hit you with my stick. I'm not drinking pineapple, for God's sakes. I'll run you over with my mobility scooter.
Oh, I'm starving. I don't care what you try and do. Come here, you. I'm going to eat you even if you're not on to pizza.